So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the financials of a cryptocurrency here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance app. Once that is done, go to the bottom bar right in the middle to where the Discover icon or the magnifying glass icon is. Press on that. Then on the top left, as you can tell from me, crypto actually is selected. But for example, if equity is selected, it will be highlighted blue. But so for example, if press on crypto right here, make it highlighted blue, then press on most actives, then you can view all the cryptos right here. So for demonstration, how about we select Tether right here, ticker symbol USDT. Now, if you wanted to view the financials for Tether or whatever the case may be regarding your crypto, just scroll down a little bit until you come across key statistics. Right above that is a summary and financials. As of right now, summary is selected, but if you were to go ahead and press on financials, it'll turn blue. And now you can view the historical data for it, or you can also press on view more in the bottom left, and then view all the different financials regarding this in regards to this crypto and the historical data for it. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the financials of a cryptocurrency here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.